I think you'll understand when I say that something. I wanna hold your hand, I wanna hold your hand, I wanna hold your hand. And when you touch me, I feel happy inside. It's such a feeling that my love I can't hide, I can't hide, I can't hide. Yeah, you. Hi everybody, I'm Vasco and today we're taking a look at I Wanna Hold Your Hand by the Beatles. This is part of my Beatles Volume 1 ukulele cheat. It's a little printable, foldable thing that you can have in your pocket and be ready to jam any Beatles song from this list anywhere you go. So go download your copy for free on ukulelecheats.com. Link will be in the description. But anyway, now we're doing I Wanna Hold Your Hand. We're going to do it in the original key on a high G string ukulele. So grab yours and let's see how to play this cool tune. Alright, so the song starts with the intro, which is something like C to D, but from the C we actually play just the open C string, open G string, and grabbing the D chord, right? The interesting thing is where it is coming, because it starts in a weird place. If you count it 1 and 2 and 3, on the offbeat after 3, you start C, G, and then play the D on the offbeat after 4, right? So if you count it 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, right? And then I'm doing down, up, down on D, right? And here, the previous to the last and the last bar, I'm playing the D, and then on the A string, open, second, and then the 3rd fret. And I'm achieving this like that. I'm just barring here the 2nd fret, but bending the pointing finger a little bit so I have the open A string, and then I play like that. Now, if this is too hard for you, you can just do an upstrum and concentrate a little bit more on the G string. Then, so basically just barring on the 2nd fret and doing up, down, and then the D7. Okay, so here's it. 1, 2, 3. If this is a little bit hard to catch, it will be helpful if you have the interactive tab, which you can play with metronome, you can slow it down, practice together with it, and I believe that that's the fastest way to really learn something that's a little bit above your comfort level. So if you want to get access to that, become a member of ukulelecheats.com. Link will be in the description. And here we start the verse. We start with the chord of G, to the chord of D, then the E minor, and then to B7. From E minor, just moving all the fingers 1 string up. All right? When we repeat these 2 times. Say that something, I wanna hold your hand. And then on the next line, we have a little bit faster chords. C, I wanna hold to D, yo, to G, to E minor, C, to D, to G. For the strumming, I'm not following it too strictly, but I'm doing something like down, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, down, chuck, up. And also one little element that I like doing is here, G to D, and after that, I'm doing this little walk on the C string, 1, 2, 3, 4, grabbing the E minor, right? These are details that not necessarily, I mean, you can do the song really amazingly without adding these, but I just like doing this and that's why I'm showing it to you. 1, 2, oh yeah, I tell you something. I think you'll understand when I say that something. I wanna hold your hand. I wanna hold your hand. On these faster chords, I'm doing down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. I wanna hold your hand. We immediately glue the second verse here. Oh, please say to me, you let me be your man. Oh, please say to me, you let me hold your hand. I wanna hold your hand. I wanna hold your hand. All right, this is the verse. And then we go to the chorus, which starts with the chord of D minor. And when I touch you, to G, I feel, to C, happy, inside, to A minor. And then again. It's such a feeling that my love. But here I'm grabbing the C with the pinky, because after that we have this C to C sharp to D with the bar here, right? I can't hide, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, to D7. All right, and on this part, I'm changing the strumming pattern. I'm doing something like down, down, up, down, up, but trying to make it gentler, right? And when you touch me, I feel happy inside. It's such a feeling that my love. And here, I can't hide, to D7. Yeah, you got that something. To the next verse. I think you'll understand. All right, and the last detail that I have to add here is the last verse that goes to the outro, right? Verse to outro. It just ends a little bit differently, right? So let's go through it. Oh yeah, you got that something. You think you'll understand when I say that something. I wanna hold your hand. I wanna hold your hand. I wanna hold your B7. And also, I'm doing these triplet strums, right? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Right? I wanna hold your hand to C, to D, to C, to G. So on the B7 here and on the C, on this C, we're doing a triplet strum, something like I wanna hold your hand. And this is how you finish the song. Alright, so this sums up my tutorial for I Wanna Hold Your Hand. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below which song should I do next. And I hope to see you on the next one. Goodbye.